everybody. This is Dr. Surendra. I am the Director of AestheticsPlus Clinics. Welcome to our channel. Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to touch upon another topic which has been a point of controversy all through is liposuction helpful for PCOS, or is liposuction a treatment for PCOS? PCOS is polycystic ovarian syndrome or polycystic ovarian disease. Nowadays we see a lot of young women coming up with this condition, and it's becoming more and more common. There are various reasons for it: lifestyle, lack of exercise, junk food, that are the insecticides and the pesticides that are used on vegetables. Some of them are estrogen mimicking agents, so they hormones mimicking agents, so they can cause disturbances in the hormone and hormone imbalance. Then we have a lot of non-vegetarians who are eating meat with chicken, which are being treated with hormones to hasten their growth, and all those hormones are trickling down into the human system and causing PCOS, and we are seeing more and more of it. The treatment of PCOS, if you talk to a gynecologist and other doctors, is basically to try and get rid of your junk food and lose weight. But PCOS and weight gain are interrelated. The PCOS is causing a weight gain, and the weight gain is worsening the PCOS. So it's like a vicious cycle, and because of which you're not able to break that cycle. And everybody, if you look around, everybody agrees on one thing, that yes, to control your PCOS, you need to lose weight. You need to lose weight, and you need to avoid sugars, you need to avoid processed food, you need to avoid junk food, eat a lot of healthy fresh produce, and of course more complex carbs. So but the main problem of most of our patients who come to us and who have weight gain issues because of PCOS is that, as I said, it's a vicious cycle. It's adding on to each other. And how do you break the cycle? You need to break the cycle by reducing weight, and most of our patients find that the most frustrating thing to do. They do their diets, they do their exercises, but when there is no actual weight loss and there is no actual improvement which is seen, then they tend to start losing heart, and they tend to start losing the will to do anything about it. And then that is where it keeps on starting to aggravate. Many of the patients do well with diet and exercise, and I know that we have a lot of people that we see who do well with that. But not everybody is able to maintain that on a regular basis to do that. So how does liposuction, or where does liposuction fit into this whole scenario? It is not a treatment for PCOS. Yes, as a plastic surgeon, I can tell you it is not a treatment for PCOS. But what it does is, with liposuction, we are able to help you lose that weight. With that, the initial loss is done, and then maintenance is a little more easier. That's what we have seen with most of our patients, and that's what most of our patients have given us the feedback also, that yes, the weight loss, the losing part is the difficult thing. So once the losing part is taken care of, maintenance is a little more easier. And with that initial loss of the fat in the central obesity that we call, that is around the hips, around the tummy, and once that fat volume is reduced, once that fat load is reduced, many times we have seen that many of our patients, their hormones start regularizing, their periods start regularizing, they are able to conceive. And we have many patients of ours who have been able to conceive after doing a liposuction, just because that initial period of that weight loss helps in regularizing all the cycles, regularizing the hormones to a large extent. But yes, it is not It's not a cure for PCOD or PCOS, but it helps you lose that initial weight and helps you get into your kickstart your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. And because you have already lost that weight, now it's only the maintenance that you need to do. That is easier. That is an easier challenge for the patients, and they feel it more comfortable to do that. And we have innumerable experiences with such patients where we have seen that yes, once that initial PCOS, that weight loss is done, then the PCOS settles down for a certain period of time. Your periods regularize, your hormones are at a much manageable levels, and because of that, your people who are suffering or facing infertility issues and not able to conceive because of PCOS and because of the weight gain which they have not been able to reduce. So that helps you reduce that initially, and then you get you finish your pregnancy within the next year or so, and then then start maintaining what you're doing to a better level and manage your weight better. And of course, you still have to do all that. You still have to have a healthier outlook to life. You have to do your exercises, you have to avoid junk food and avoid unnecessary things that you're putting into your body, and of course no sugars at all. Okay, that is one of the most important things that you have to do as a PCOS patient. And if you're a PCOS patient, you're not able to lose weight, and you're looking that yes, you want to try and see if you can conceive better instead of adding on more drugs, and you feeling that you're not able to achieve what you want, then yes, it is an option. It is not an option for everybody, and you need a lot of counseling. You need to understand what the actual process is, and you have to understand why it is being done and the reason. And then you have to be motivated that yes, we are helping you lose that weight, but you have to be motivated to maintain that weight loss and maintain that inch loss and get onto a healthier lifestyle. Only that is going to actually help you control and keep your PCOS in control. And yes, we can be a part of the journey. And if you feel that if you have any other queries related to the same, you can get in touch with us. We would definitely like to explain it more in detail. But yes, as I said, it is a controversial topic. We have seen good results with it, but yes, it is not a treatment for PCOS. So people who are thinking that yes, liposuction will help you treat PCOS, yes, maybe not, but yes, it will help you alleviate a certain symptoms, and of course it will help you lose that weight, which will help you regularize your hormones for a certain period of time. And ultimately, yes, long-term benefits are with the lifestyle changes that you make and the diet changes that you make, and you're adopting a healthier lifestyle with exercise and diet. So if you have any other queries or comments, please drop in your views. We would like to know what you think about it, and if you have any queries, please get in touch.